Right, okay, I've just been told I have 5 minutes until my tea is ready, so let's rush this question. So, question A. So what do we have here? The coordinates of 3 points A, B, and C are these three. Go on, let's draw them roughly. But we have 4, 6 to the right, and then we have them one to the left. Okay, so let's go for 4, 6. Let's imagine that that's there. That's A, 4, 6. Then we have -3, 5, which could well be about there. For B, that is -3, 5. And we have 5 -1, which is probably about there, let's say. Exaggerated that. Oops. I should actually be a bit further down. Let's go for there. What's going on? Where's my T? Let's go for there. A bit more exaggerated. C, 5 -1. Okay, so they're all connected. Here we go. That's not bad. That one, not so good. Goes down there. And that one there. Okay, so those three are connected. Show that BAC is a right angle. Show that that is a right angle. Now, if I'm going to do that, and I have some coordinates, bit of coordinate geometry, I'll work out the steepness, the gradient of the line BA, and I will work out the gradient of AC separately, and I will prove that they're perpendicular. So, gradient of the line AB, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, 6 minus 5 over 4 minus 3 comes out to be 1 over 7. Gradient of AC is -1 minus 6 over 5 minus 4, which is -7, and therefore they are the negative reciprocals of one another. 1 over 7 times -7 is -1. They're perpendicular. That's part A. Part B. A circle passes through all points. Flip the neck. Let's try and draw that in some way. So a circle, I guess, might look. Oh, goodness me. No, sorry. Let's go for something a bit more like that. And let's erase this bit over here. So there's my circle. Let's erase that bit as well. There's my circle. Determine the equation of the circle. Now, the equation of the circle is usually in the form something like this. Now, if I know A and B, that's going to give me, well, if I know the center, sorry, that is A and B. And if I know the radius, that's R. So if I can find those two things, I can get the equation of the circle. Now, it's not going to look like it very well because of the state of my diagram here, but the line BC, I can tell you right now, is the diameter of the circle. Bit of GCSE knowledge here. If we have a right angle triangle contained within a circle, then BC is the diameter. It doesn't look like it based on my diagram, I will admit that. But BC is the diameter of that circle. So if I can work out the midpoint of BC, then that's going to give me the center. Midpoint of BC, I know the two coordinates. Midpoint is add the two x ones together and half it. Add the two y ones together and half it. So what's that? That is 2 of 2, which is 1, minus 2. So yeah, 1, 2 as the midpoint. Now the radius, the length of the radius is half the length of BC, is half the length of BC, is half, and to work out the length of the line, it is the big square root 1. So that is the two x coordinates take away, squared, 5, oops, excuse me, it's going to be minus 5. 5 minus 3 squared plus minus 1, take away 5 squared, half of all of that. Calculate a job. 4. Oh, that comes to be 100, and half of that is 50. Okay. Oh, sorry. No. 5. Excuse me. That was 5. So, so we get 5 is the length of the radius. I'm just going to go up to the top of the page to finish my answer there because it wants the equation of the circle. If I chuck it all into this generic form here, that is x minus, no, that's the x coordinate of the center, 1 squared, plus y minus b, b was the y coordinate of the center, y minus 2 squared, equals, and it was r squared, the radius was 5, 5 squared is 25. I go for my food.